I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I turn off the alarm.
I turn off the alarm.
I stretch my body.
I stretch my body.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I wear my slippers.
I wear my slippers.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I dry my hair.
I dry my hair.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I open the window.
I open the window.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
I fry eggs.
I fry eggs.
I make coffee.
I make coffee.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I wear my shoes.
I wear my shoes.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
I walk to school.
I walk to school.
I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
I ride the bus.
I ride the bus.
I arrive at school.
I arrive at school.
I greet my friends.
I greet my friends.
I enter the classroom.
I enter the classroom.
I sit at my desk.
I sit at my desk.
I open my book.
I open my book.
I listen to the teacher.
I listen to the teacher.
I write notes.
I write notes.
I raise my hand.
I raise my hand.
I answer the question.
I answer the question.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I use a computer.
I use a computer.
I study with friends.
I study with friends.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I talk with my friends.
I talk with my friends.
I walk in the hallway.
I walk in the hallway.
I go to the library.
I go to the library.
I borrow a book.
I borrow a book.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I play sports.
I play sports.
I go home.
I go home.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.
Great job today, Alex.
Yes! Great daily English practice, Maya.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
Please subscribe to Easy English Daily for more essential English tips.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye!